Alright you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I have spring twist hair that I want to show you guys how you can rock that hair and make it look natural. So first of all, I'm showing you the pattern of my cornrows, and I'm gonna be using this hair by Yebo Hair. So I love this packaging compared to all the spring twist hair that I have used, and in this video I was so excited to try this hair in a different way, like not spring twist. So this is how the hair looks, exactly like the way we use, the hair that we use for spring twist, but I wanted to use this like as a crochet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how I'm going to prepare the hair and start crocheting it on my hair. So here I just took one piece of hair and I just want to show you how I'm going to stretch it. I'm just going to pull it like so, and then I'm going to separate it a little bit, and then this is how it's gonna look, like separated, and then not too much, just a little bit, so that we keep the curls. So at the end of the day I'm just gonna start crocheting that using the crochet needle, and just watch. And the same way that we do the crochet method is just the same way that I'm going to be installing this hair. So I'm just gonna repeat the same process and keep installing the hair until I'm satisfied with the way it looks. And if you can see that the back of my head doesn't have like as many cornrows as the front, it's because this hair is so full, and if you're not careful you end up like having a full head, which is what happened to me at the end. But I eventually fixed all that, and you want to make sure you're putting your hair like apart, you're leaving space so that when you fluff it out it is not too much. So I was done with the back side of my hair, and as you can see the hair is already full. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start installing the front part of my hair. And what I did is left a specific place where I'm going to be parting my hair. So when I reach that part, you see, as you keep watching, you see how I am going to be installing the hair. It is not so different, but I would like you to see the way I am going to crochet the hair right there on my parting. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. Those 4 lines, what I was doing is separating the hair into 2 equal parts, because that is where I'm going to be doing my parting, like I said. So I separated the hair into 2 equal parts and installed that hair. But what I was doing is putting them as close as I can, not the way it was in the back, like I was just installing the hair like and leaving space. But right there I was putting them as close as I can so that it looks full right there and it looks natural. So at the end you'll see how it looks. And here I was just trying to make it more secure, and by tying it 2 times. Yeah, so I ended up using like 4 packs, and I think some hair was remaining, just like five pieces of hair. And this is how big the hair looks. I loved the way it looked over here, but I wasn't comfortable walking like that, so I ended up cutting most of the hair, and this is how much hair I cut. I know it kind of looks like a lot, but it's because this hair is big, you know, it gets fluffy. So at the end, this is the final look. I ended up cutting it to that short, and I was loving the results. So just styling, I ended up using my Aussie spray that locks in curls, just spraying that all over the place, and you know, just styling. I love these products. I love Aussie products. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I love this hair. If you'd like to purchase the same hair, I will leave a link in the description box down below, so that it takes you to the direct link of where I got this hair. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.